You ever wondered about the cheapest Android phone on T-Mobile? Well, let's unbox it. Hey there, this is Tom with Tom's Tech Show, and today I've got a box. This box has the cheapest T-Mobile phone that they make, cheapest Android phone that they sell. So we're gonna unbox it, see what it's like, give it a little power up, and see how it works, see what the box is. Here we go. Let's look at it right now. So we're gonna go here. Here's our box. Move our mouse out of the way. Got a little box here, and let's get a knife here. We'll undo it. This is exactly how it was dropped off at the house. Just taped up like this, so we can see what's in here. Okay, so we've got some things. Here is we've got an OtterBox case. I did buy the OtterBox that they sell with it, so that's kind of nice. Packing foam. If you can tell, if I go to this one shot, you can tell that there's a pile of Star Trek figures that used to be here. It's getting smaller because they're all going on eBay, because I don't want to move them to Florida. So I might be able to actually ship something in that when I sell it on eBay. There'll be a link to my eBay store if you're interested in buying some Star Trek things that have not gone away. Okay, so what we're really concerned about today really is this phone. I know we're going to put the OtterBox case on it at some point, but this is the T-Mobile REVVL4. It's a pretty nice box here, so let's give it some little slicing here to get the box open. Cut there, cut there. There's nothing there, nothing there. Okay, so we should be able to slide it on open. At least so I'm hoping. All right. I found that if you kind of twist and wiggle boxes a little bit side to side, then they come right out. Okay, here we go. That's actually pretty nice. Nice packaging there. We've got the same kind of little, packaging. You've got just a little opening in the bottom here to slide the phone out. And here we go. Throw the phone. There we go. That's fine. Okay, we can just tear this open. So their packaging needs something to be desired to get the phone out and running. And the phone's already come on. So let's see. This is supposed to be pull, right? That's, pull that and it's supposed to come off. There we go. All right, now we're getting it open. There we go. Okay. So we got a T-Mobile REVVL4 and it's booting here. Coming up. See how long it takes. It's still going. Okay, this is the box. I hear the T-Mobile sound. This is a box, so we've got inside the box, we have a little tray. We have in here a little package that has our T-Mobile SIM card that we need. It has a little manual that we don't need, and has a SIM tool right here to get all the stuff out. So that's good. That's easy. That's all right there, prepackaged from T-Mobile. And then inside here we have a, oh wow. Okay, this is a very nice, if you can see here, this is actually a, let me put my hand here, that'll maybe focus here. This is a very nice, clean, white, shiny, braided charging cable. That's pretty nice. That's more than I thought it would. I thought it would be, just like a generic white cable with nothing on it. So that's cool. All right, so then we got to go to the other side of the box here, which is our charger. So it's just a little tiny charger here that we've got to open. We're just going to use the knife because that's going to be easier. Okay. Knife, open charger. Okay, so can I see? I don't know what wattage this charger is. Yes, I need glasses here to see. Let's see, how many watts? Very difficult to see. I imagine it's quite a few watts to charge the phone, but anyway. Okay. So there we go. So that's the end of the box here. That's the box is empty. So we've got that. And then we've got our instructions with the SIM piece that goes right there. And then that part goes back in there. And then here's the phone. So the phone came up pretty quickly. I mean, it actually was pretty fast. It says hi there. It's all ready for setup. We can click start and then connect to mobile network. It's going to go through the setup. This is going to be my son's phone, so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. It seems to be pretty snappy. I mean, it's not really slow coming up. The screen and stuff seems to be running pretty good, so that's kind of cool. But it is pretty nice. I mean, the phone's big. I mean, it's a pretty big phone. It's not as big as, say, you know, okay, let's compare it to in size. Take my the V60 out of its box, out of its case here. Okay, so that's it compared to a V60. So if we match up the ends and the side here, it's almost as wide as the V60, but the V60 is a good half-inch higher. But still, this is a pretty good sized phone for the price. I mean, I think it was 120, something like that, on T-Mobile. Let me check here. Let's go to T-Mobile. T-Mobile Travel. We want to go to T-Mobile. T-Mobile.com. Okay. And look at that. We do have the OtterBox here that we will be putting on it. Okay, so phones and devices, cell phones, and go go to brands, go down to T-Mobile. Okay, right now the REVVL4, which is what this phone is right here, the REVVL4, is selling for 120 bucks. So it's really not bad. I mean, it's light. It seems to be, you know, have pretty good. I think there's a fingerprint reader right here on the back that you can set up. So and there's a hole in the OtterBox right there in the middle, so you can use your fingerprint reader. So that's cool. I mean, for 120 bucks, that's like a great phone. It's got a little notch in the top for the camera, which isn't too obtrusive into anything. So yeah, should be a good phone. All right, well, here we go. Quick unboxing of the T-Mobile REVVL. I mean, if I get some time and can get away from my son, then maybe I'll make a review of it. But yeah, it seems to work. It's good weight, good everything, good size. We'll stick the OtterBox on it, and hopefully it'll last. There we go. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care.